Hello, friends. This is Miss Julia with the Nature Report. I want this video to be a fun way to show you all the really neat things you can observe and discover in nature. Today, I discovered these. Do you know what they are? These are stinging nettle shoots. You see how purple and green they are? If you look closely, you might even see that they have little teeny tiny spikes on their leaves. Notice the water collecting on the top of some of the larger leaves? Now I know that nettle loves to grow in really wet areas. So if I'm looking for nettle, that's a good place to start. Bottom of a valley or near a stream. Those little hairs help as a defense mechanism to keep away animals that might want to eat it. One animal that really likes to eat these are even humans. They're full of nutrients and proteins and vitamins. Pretty neat. So I hope to do this video more often to show you other really neat discoveries. And I hope you remember that you shouldn't eat anything from nature without an adult's permission. But we'll check on these nettle shoots maybe in a little bit and see if they grow any taller. But for now, we'll wish them luck. Good luck, little guys. Hope you grow nice and big and strong. And I hope I get to see you, friends, on the next Nature Report.